The buzzing hum of the courthouse filled the air as the morning sun filtered through the tall windows of the old brick building. Court security officer Thomas Miller stood near the entrance, scanning each person who walked through the metal detector. He was experienced, but today something caught his attention. An impeccably dressed black man approaching the security checkpoint with a calm but purposeful stride. "Sir, step aside, please," Miller said curtly, blocking his path. "I need to check your credentials." The man stopped unruffled. "Of course," he replied smoothly, pulling out a thick folder and a court-issued badge. "I'm Dr. Leonard Harris, expert forensic analyst. I'm here to testify in the Dawson case." Miller's eyes narrowed, skeptical. "This is a high-profile trial. We can't take any chances. Please step into the waiting area while I confirm your identity." Leonard's expression didn't change. "I understand the precautions, but I'm on the schedule. My testimony is critical for the defense. The judge is expecting me." Ignoring the rising tension, Miller motioned Leonard to the side, holding up his hand to stop him from proceeding. A small crowd had gathered. Lawyers, court staff, even a few journalists. Whispers circulated about the delay. Leonard's lawyer stepped forward, showing Miller a copy of the witness list. Miller reluctantly radioed the main office to verify Leonard's credentials. Minutes felt like hours. Leonard waited patiently, quietly reviewing his notes. Finally, Miller's radio crackled. "Verification confirmed. Dr. Harris is cleared to testify. Sorry for the holdup." Miller nodded stiffly, stepping aside with a begrudging respect. Leonard moved forward, entering the courtroom with the calm assurance of a man used to navigating skepticism. The defense attorney greeted him warmly and introduced him to the judge. Once Leonard took the stand, the courtroom shifted. He was the leading expert in forensic evidence interpretation, with decades of experience solving cases that hinged on scientific detail. His testimony would dismantle the prosecution's shaky narrative. The prosecuting attorney wasted no time trying to undermine Leonard's credibility, suggesting his analysis was biased or flawed. But Leonard remained composed, answering every question with precision and clarity. He explained the DNA evidence, the timeline inconsistencies, and the forensic anomalies that the prosecution had overlooked. His testimony was not just technical, it was transformative. It illuminated facts the jury hadn't considered and cast doubt on the prosecution's case. By the time Leonard finished, the courtroom was silent, the weight of his expertise settling in. The judge nodded appreciatively. When the jury later returned a verdict of not guilty, much credit was given to Leonard's testimony. After the trial, Leonard reflected on the incident at the security checkpoint. "It was frustrating," he admitted in an interview, "but it reminded me of the barriers people face. Even when they are part of the system trying to uphold justice, what matters is perseverance and professionalism." The Dawson case became a landmark for forensic science's role in courtrooms, and Leonard Harris became a symbol of excellence and resilience.